In this session, we are going to focus on the navigation methods. It is a category of 3 methods that include actions for back, forward, and refresh. The purpose of navigation methods is to move through pages in our browser's history and to refresh the page. If you're interested in a document, then a link in the description will take you to that document. I created a transcript just in case you want to read the information we cover in this video. Let's start by going to the IDE Python, and we write from Selenium, import WebDriver. Next, we type from WebDriver Manager, and this time our browser will be Microsoft Edge. So we import Edge Chromium Driver Manager. Now we set up and control the browser by typing driver equals WebDriver.Edge with the capital E, Edge Chromium Driver Manager. Then we are going to install. Now that we have installed the browser, we can load the page by writing driver.get, and the URL is https://the-internet herokuapp.com. Let's also print the title to keep track of our automation test script. And to print the title, we write print. Within the parentheses, we write home page, followed by a comma, then driver.title. The remaining test scripts will navigate through the application. We have already loaded the home page. Next is to load this page called JavaScript onload event error. We see it has an error that states this page has a JavaScript error in the onload event, and the title is page with JavaScript errors on load. After coming across this problem, our test script will navigate back to the previous page. We know the page has an error, but our test script will navigate forward to the same page and get the title. Let's go back to the home page. The last step is to refresh this entry add page. Notice when I hit refresh, the page will show a pop-up window. I will click refresh, and the pop-up window will show up again. Now let's go back to our test script. In the IDE, we load the JavaScript error page by writing driver.get. The URL is https://the-internet.herokuapp.com, and the next part is JavaScript error underscore error, to make sure we write the underscore. Now we're going to print the title of the page by writing back. No, we're going to write this here as new page has error. Now I'm going to write driver.title. Now we navigate back to the home page by writing driver.back. Then print the title. This time I'm going to write open and closing parentheses back to identify we have used the driver.back method. Go to home page, driver.title. At this point, let's go ahead and run, and let's see what shows up in the console. The console shows home page, the internet. New page has error. Page with JavaScript errors on load. Let me make this a little bigger. And I'm gonna start over. It shows home page, the internet. Next line, it shows the new page has error. Page with JavaScript errors on load. Last, it shows back. Go to home page, the internet. At this point, let's write the next statement, which is driver.forward is the next command. We are going to verify the page has an error. So we write print in parentheses forward to let the console know, or to let us know that we're using the driver.forward method. Verify error page, colon, driver.title. The last navigation method is refresh, and we are going to load the entry add page by writing driver.get. Pass in the URL, https colon 2// the hyphen internet.herokuapp.com, followed by entry _ add. It is not recommended to implement sleep statements in our production code. However, for this demo, I will write time.sleep for 1 second. This statement will wait for 1 second so we can see the window pop up. Now we write driver.refresh, and I'm going to wait 1 more second by writing time.sleep. 1 second. Let's also print the page title by writing refresh add showed up 2 times, and print the title, driver.title. Okay, let's run. Bingo. And the console shows home page, the internet. New page has error. Page with JavaScript errors on load. Back, go to home page. So it shows the back navigation method works. Back, go to home page, the internet. Forward, and this shows that it went forward. Verify error page. Page with JavaScript errors on load. Refresh. Refresh showed that we actually click the refresh navigation method, or we use the refresh navigation methods. Refresh, add showed up 2 times, the internet. That's it for the navigation methods, back, forward, and refresh. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next session.